Now it's only a power run here today. We're not tuning this, we're not modifying it. We're just doing some power runs, but it's such a gorgeous car that I think it deserves its own proper video. So let's see what she makes. Let's strap her down. Wow. K24, that's just stunning. Love it. Well, this thing just made 240 at the wheels, Lewis.
Yeah, just shy off.
Sweet. And what was the final figure? 280 brake horsepower? 287. 287 brake horsepower. What a car. Yes, this has made my willy fizz up a little bit because I want to put a K24 in my FN2. What do you reckon then, Lewis? It's gorgeous.
It just cost about 900 quid for a K24.
Yeah, it did just cost me some money just looking at that. It's so pretty, Lewis. Just like you, mate.
Absolute beast.
I bet it's quick, ain't it, mate? No messing about. I bet it's quick.
Yeah.
You've been out in this ad. What do you reckon?
Nuts.
Nuts. Nuts. Am I right in thinking this is getting harvested though?
Yeah.
So you're not sticking with this?
No, not this shell.
It's coming to bits because you're building a
Coupe.
Yeah, obviously. Of
My
course.
dream coupe, obviously. I'm a coupe boy.
A coupe boy. Well, I think this is absolutely stunning. What a car. You're going to pull it apart like Lego and build something else, but that's how the way it is, isn't it, I suppose?
Yeah.
Yeah, gorgeous car. Thanks for bringing it, man. It's certainly made some noise, didn't it, as well?
Didn't it just?
It sounds as quick as it looks. Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, really happy with the results there. Look at this. Lewis, I can't afford one of these.
Yeah, you can.
Pratt Works. Nice. Yeah, it's got all the bits on it, ain't it? Someone had a carbon fetish. See, I like carbon, but I'm just lazy, so it always just turns into milky, cloudy nonsense because it just sits on there and I don't do anything with it.
Yeah, more carbon than a carbon factory, this thing.
Yeah, some good bits on it. Got some gearbox modifications, hasn't it, Lewis?
Yeah. Yeah, custom one-off gearbox ratios.
Cool. Someone's put
Bennett BBPerformance.
So you've put a lot of time and effort and thought into it.
Yeah.
Just for you to pull it apart and harvest it like a vulture.
Yeah, it's his bills. Can't drive someone else's.
No, I totally get that. I get the passion behind it and the fact that you want to put your own stamp on something, but you've basically, this is a shopping cart at the moment, isn't it? Yeah. It's a shopping cart full of all the parts that you want to build your car with, and I know the shell will go on to a good home, and we might see.
You might even buy the shell back.
Yeah, so the shell might live on and do something else awesome with it, because he's a gifted lad, isn't he? He knows what he's doing for sure. See a lot of good stuff. But yeah, well, that's impressed me, and I think, yeah, like I say, I think it's given me. I do need to get a K24 in my life now. I've already seen my plate, you know. Yeah. My plate would. Well, I'm not going to tell you in case someone buys it, but it's only 2 letters off this one, you know.
Is it?
Yeah. We'll talk about that in private. Right, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz. I'm sure you guys love this. So if you do love it, drop a comment for us. Let us know what you think to Lewis's shopping cart, because that's what it is. And we'll see you all on the next one.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.